Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. And today I'm going to show you how to link one Google Sheet to another. There are actually a couple of different ways to do this, depending on what you're trying to achieve. Option 1. Show data from another sheet using import range. Sometimes you don't just want a link. You want the actual data from another sheet to appear in your current sheet. So here's how we do that. First, we'll create a new sheet. I'll call this one Sheet New. Now, if we want data from another Google Sheet to show up here, we're going to use the import range function. Here's the formula structure. You'll need the full URL of the spreadsheet you're pulling from, in quotes. The sheet name and range, also in quotes. For example, sheet name, sheet 1. Range, A2 to E8. So inside the formula, you'll write, after you enter the formula, Google Sheets will ask you to allow access. Click Allow Access, and just like that, your PE data will appear in the new sheet. That's how you dynamically pull live data from one spreadsheet into another. Option 2. Just link to another sheet. Clickable link. But what if you don't want the data to show? You just want a clickable link to another sheet. In that case, you can simply copy the spreadsheet's URL. If you look at the end of the URL, you'll see something like Edit GID. That GID number refers to a specific tab within the spreadsheet. If you switch to another tab, say Sheet 2, you'll notice the GID number changes. The spreadsheet ID stays the same, but the GID tells Google which tab to open. You can paste that full URL directly into a cell, and it will automatically become clickable. Option 3. Use the hyperlink function, cleaner links. Sometimes raw URLs don't look very nice, so instead, we can use the hyperlink function. Here's how. You put the exact URL in quotes, then a comma, then your link label in quotes. For example, now, you've got a clean, clickable link with custom text. Bonus method. Keyboard shortcut. You can also type your text, for example, more data, highlight it, press Command plus K or Control plus K on Windows. Paste your URL. That's another quick and easy way to link to another sheet. And that's it. 3 ways to link Google Sheets together. Pull live data with import range. Paste a direct URL. Create a clean clickable link with hyperlink, or use Command plus K. You're watching Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video next, and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, and how-tos to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos for you.